Place the spring track in front of you, then arrange the side channels. And in the last, place the motor channel opposite to spring track. Kindly make sure side channels are placed exactly as per the video. Check if the plastic and metal part is correctly assembled and is moving properly. If the parts of side channels are not assembled properly, kindly follow our troubleshooting video for side channel. Connect side channel with spring track and bottom with plastic and metal part. Slide in the metal part into the motor track and fix it at the edge. Now connect the motor track with side channel. Follow the instructions as per the video for rod and jointer connection with the motor. Cover the motor track and spring track with the channel covers. Switch on the power supply and check if it is working perfectly. At the end, install the blind in the blind space with the help of screw through the pre-drilled holes given in the side channel. Now you're set to go.